Breathe deeply into your center. Feel the energy.
Before arousal increases, different zones activate slowly.
Before orgasm spreads, internal points like G-spot, cervix, or anus also create deep pleasure.
Before full-body arousal, the brain starts reacting. Nipple stimulation activates the genital sensory cortex.
During arousal response, the Bartholin glands begin secreting natural lubrication that helps maintain moisture and reduce.
These contractions usually last between 6 to 17 seconds, depending on the individual.
When lubrication decreases, intercourse can become uncomfortable due to dryness or hormonal changes.
Emotional safety and connection help the brain relax, making orgasm easier and more natural. Stress and anxiety can interrupt neural pathways, preventing the body from reaching orgasm.
Some women can experience multiple orgasms without any recovery period between responses. Every woman experiences pleasure differently, and there is no single correct orgasm pattern.
Respect and understanding are essential for building a healthy and satisfying sexual relationship. Emotional safety and connection help the brain relax, making orgasm easier and more natural.